All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. Let me fix this camera. I don't know why camera is leaning. Anyway, so Ravel Morrison on peak form. Scored a goal again, goal on Wednesday, goal on us also on Saturday. We're going to get into the details. Ravel Morrison secure 3 points for Derby County today. And you know how that is right now. So we're going to get into the details of what the impact of that goal is and Ravel Morrison, specifically Ravel Morrison's form, his recent form. But before we do that, please, I would really advise you guys, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, people. And if you don't mind, share it on your socials. I'd really appreciate it if you do so. All right, so let's get to the details. Ravel Morrison. No, Ravel Morrison has hit a phenomenal form in recent time. And I'm telling you, it's a breath of fresh air seeing Ravel Morrison playing football, enjoying his football, his game, and this basically mastering his craft. So that's what I'm seeing in recent times. That is what I'm seeing, and I'm telling, I feel really happy to see Ravel Morrison. So happy, enjoying football like that because we know of the recent situation, not recent, but before of the Ravel Morrison issues. As you all know, Derby County is the longest club Ravel Morrison has ever stayed, and this is the most appearance that Ravel Morrison has ever made for one club in particular. Now, this is 4 goals for Ravel Morrison this season with 3 assists. Now, bear in mind that he played a few games for the Reggae Boys on the international break, and definitely this is the type of form that we saw Ravel Morrison with. Same in the same sense. What we're going to do, we're going to get into the match ratings for Ravel Morrison match ratings. Well, it starts. Why he didn't start. We understand the reason why he didn't start because of flight. He played for Jamaica on Wednesday, and the traveling and all those aspects. I was surprised to see him in the squad. I was really surprised to see him in the squad. I'm definitely surprised, but look at it. Leon Bailey started, but that's the next story. We'll be getting to that on a different video. Pretty much, I was really impressed with how he applied himself in this game, coming off the bench, knowing that he should make an impact, knowing that his team need that 3 points, and the coach taking that valiant decision to bring on Ravel Morrison as a substitute. I believe he was the first substitute who came on the pitch. So that tells a lot. I'm bringing up the stats. I'm trying to bring up the stats so you guys can see it. So you won't be thinking that I'm just creating a lot of excitement over Ravel Morrison. Let me bring up that stat so you guys can see. So we play 22 minutes. I'm gonna end the screen share. I'm gonna bring up the stats sheet so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm seeing right here. That's what I'm talking. Let me minimize myself so you guys can see, get a better. All right, so these are his stats. In 22 minutes he came on and literally have one of the highest match ratings on the pitch, despite coming on so late in the game. 22 minutes, 1 goal, 17 touches. He completed 11 out of 12 passes. That's 92%. He made 2 key passes. That's quite valid. Something that you have to look into. He attempted 1 long ball in which he didn't complete it, and he also created, in line with those 2 key passes, 1 big chance. He had 2 shots, 2 shots on target, and he also missed a big chance. I wouldn't say that was a huge big chance, but he completed 3 duels in total. He won 2 of them. Just lost an aerial duel, lost possession twice, and he was fouled once. He also made a tackle, pretty much important. This is the impact Ravel Morrison made coming off the bench, and this is telling us that, well, definitely this is saying that we're more than likely to see Ravel Morrison on the starting sheet for the next fixtures. Let me see. I'm going to check if he had the highest match ratings, because I do believe that he had the highest match ratings. Actually, no, he didn't. He has the second highest match ratings. That's behind Tom Lawrence. Yeah, second highest match ratings. That's behind Tom Lawrence. and also the goalkeeper for Preston North End. Bear in mind that also we have another reggae boy who played in that game, which was Daniel Johnson. He pretty much had a solid game, and we all know what to expect from Daniel Johnson. Look a bit uncomfortable over in the wing back position, even though he slide into the central zones quite so often. But he was not that comfortable playing out that wide. He was still effective because he's a smart, very, very, very smart player. But guess what? Ravel Morrison, I do believe that the impact that Ravel made was quite vital to this game. Now, Derby County is actually in a bit of a stretch in regards to the relegation, we all know. But these 3 points actually gave them something to look forward to. Let me bring up the table so you guys can see the table a lot better. Let me bring up the table so you guys can see. So Derby County is in the bottom half of the table. Let's have a look at that. So they're on 28 points. Barnsley, who's in front of them, so they're in the bottom 3. Barnsley is in front of them, is on 29 points, and Peterborough is on 26 points. Now basically that's only 3 points separating 3 teams in the relegation scrap. Now they have Readings, who's on 34. Readings who's on 34 points, or Reading, yeah, who's on 34 points, who's just 5 points away from Barnsley and 6 points away from Derby County. Now it boils down to how Derby County approach the next games, the final set of games for the season. Just a few more games to go. It will be important that they try and win these games, but definitely Ravel Morrison will be a big impact on the rest of the games going forward. If he can continue scoring those goals coming off the bench, or be of such an impact, a huge positive that Derby County has going forward, that Wayne Rooney has in his favor going forward. The form that Ravel Morrison is in, it's a huge positive for the no harder than Wayne Rooney. I won't go any further. That was a tremendous result for Derby County. Tremendous. I'm so happy for Ravel Morrison. Goal on Wednesday, goal on Saturday. He continues his tremendous form. He continues his wonderful form, and I do as a fan enjoy football. But anyways, people, here are my socials. Please go and follow us on our social, on our Instagram, and also on our Twitter. Consistent update on all the Jamaican players and also football in general, because we're a football media company, basically. So go, people, and enjoy the football. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Until next time, people, Ravel Morrison, continue putting the hard work and continue on this great form that you're in. We're enjoying football. So are you. See that you're loving it. Anyways, people, big up. Until next time, Military Guna TV. We are out.